Alrighty, so I was working on my 1997 Jeep Wrangler and I walked by and the headlight just fell out. And yeah, another fun Jeep project. Alrighty, this is a 1997 Jeep Wrangler. This is the headlight retainer, and it seems like the tabs are tack welded and they break off, causing the headlight to come out, and then you have a winking Jeep. Alrighty, so this is the tab that actually breaks off from the ring, and this would screw onto the Jeep into the headlight assembly. What I'm going to do, get this into focus, is I'm going to use the rust mark as a alignment guide. And then the vice grip will hold it in place. These tabs are slotted, so you do have some leeway, but you just want to compare it with the other side. And of course, I have the tab upside down. Alright, so now we have something like that with the vice grip in place. And we are going to just drill this real fast. Of course it's going to walk on me. It's fine. If it walks on you, just a center punch. Give it a couple good dimples in there. I'll start slowing it down because I don't want to go through my fingers. But through. All right. Now I'm using small rivets. I mean, this is not they don't need to be really big rivets, and the reason why I'm choosing small rivets is because I don't want to interfere with the headlight itself. These should fit. So, a little bigger. Alright, trying to get this to focus. Beautiful. Alright, so that's a 1/8 rivet. I drilled it through. And we're going to rivet it in place. Alright, so we have the rivet in place. This thing is not moving. And we're just going to smash the back of the rivet smash the back of the rivet flush. And all I'm going to use is a socket and a hammer. So nothing high tech. Alright, so this is the repair. See the rivets? Alrighty. And this is the mounting area. So, alright, let me get it in place and I'll show you how it works. Alrighty, so we have the headlight in place and you can see how the headlight is held in place. Alright, we'll get all buttoned up. Alrighty, so the fix of the wink has been done. That thing is solid, it's not going anyplace.